There you go, guys. 4:30 in the afternoon on Friday the 10th of May here in Brisbane, and there it is. The floor's already on. We just finished the stirrups. Show you the stirrups. They're all set to height, all in. Okay, all done to string lines, so they're nice and straight at the right height. Done with the laser level to get the heights, and all the stubs, everything done, ready to go. Anthony's just got the deck to do on the front, but he's already started standing walls. He's got, yep, up the back there. He's already got the first wall up. He'll have the roof on in a week and a half. But yeah, our part finished. I got another one or two little things to do for him next week. A little bit of repair on his trailer. So come back, pick up my mixer next week. But otherwise, we're done. Okay, all nice, all finished. Everybody happy. And look at those braces. See those braces? 100 by 50 mil by 5 mil thick. You will not move that thing. Alright, and that post up there that it's connected to, that's a 6 mil post. So she's only 1.5 foot high. And same with those others at the back, she's not moving. Not going anywhere. This is what we want no movement. Okay, thanks for viewing. Hope it's been educational. And I'll do some more on the next one. Thanks, guys. Catch you again soon. Oh, you know that little thing that says, you know, the little like button and the subscribe button? Very, very much appreciated, guys. Thank you. Catch you again soon. Bye.